Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I'm actually bringing you a Walmart box. Yeah, Walmart, is it a subscription? I think it is a subscription, but it is quarterly, so it's only $5. You're just paying for the shipping for the box. Everything in here is pretty much sample sizes, nothing extravagant. But it is $5 a quarter, and this is the fall box. So let's get started by opening it up and see what's inside. I have not opened it. I have not taken the plastic off. It came a few days ago and I figured let's open it up. And I've been procrastinating. I don't know why I've been procrastinating on opening this up. This is the Walmart beauty box. See? Oh, the sticker. Okay, so Walmart beauty box. Cute bag. It's got the logo on it. A bag box. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. Hello, sunshine for fall box. Is this a fall box? Huh. Not sure. So $5. It says hello sunshine, and it has yellow tissue. Oh, actually, it's a pretty good box for $5. So let's get started. What's in the bottom of the box? So on the bottom of the box we have what we got in our boxes. So this is one sheet. This is another sheet. This is nothing. So we have a purifying blacks charcoal mask. These normally run what, like $1.50, $2, sometimes $2.50. So we've got that. It's actually kind of good. Hydration. Oh, this is cool because this is like a face mask, a sheet mask, and it's black. It's a black sheet mask. So you put it on. Keep it on for like 20 minutes and then take it off and rub the essence back in your face. We have, oh, they came out with new nose strips. This is, what is this? This is Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Removes 2 times more deep pore clogs. One nose strip. So we got one nose strip. Too bad they don't have, they didn't have a coupon with it, you know? It just says clogged pores, blackheads, which please. And then it tells you how to use it. So that's kind of interesting. So that's the nose strips, Witch Hazel. I can't wait to try that. And then we have the 5-star lip protection from Blistex. This is actually good too. So I think it's everything we got is worth more than what I paid for the box, which was $5. This is the 5-star lip protection. Blistex 5-star lip protection has a unique system of 5 specialized ingredients to deliver unparalleled defense against nature's harshest conditions: dryness, sun, heat, cold, and wind. There you go. And they have different ones. They have deep renewal. They have this one, lip vibrance, and lip serum. So what are these worth? Like $2-3 as well, or $2 maybe the most? Huh. Right there you got like $4 worth of product, and the box was $5. Then we have CeraVe. We have 2 small ones. Okay, these you normally get these in this box. This is the moisturizing cream. I think I have like 2 or 3 of these. I'll be putting this in a giveaway. I've got like mountains of stuff here now that I've been trying to go through. And then this is the foaming facial cleanser. It cleans and moistens without drying. So that's, oh. My lights are a little bright today, huh? So there's that one. Put this all over here. So that's what, $1 I would say for both of these, $1. This is the one I'm excited to get. So this is the Bic Soleil Sensitive, and it's 1 razor. So I would put this at $2. Try the #1 women's disposable razor brand. 3 flexible blades. 3 flexible blades. Get it together, Stan. Comfort Shield helps protect skin from nicks and cuts, effortlessly glides for silky smooth skin. Soothing moisture strip enhanced with aloe vera. Okay. Gives it a little sheet. And then there's the, I like the guys razors that have 5 blades, but that's fine. And that's it. That's everything that came in this Walmart box. Like I said, it is $5 a quarter. I believe it's a subscription, so because I had canceled and I just came back for this fall box, but I believe every quarter you get charged $5, which is the shipping. that's what they say, it's for shipping. But you get one, like this time you get one shaver. I would say that's $2. The Blistex, this is a full size. Yeah, it looks like a full size. I would say this was like a $2 value, so that's $4. And then another $2 for the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. I can't find them less than $1 or $1 unless they're on clearance. I normally find these for like $2 or $2.50. So I would say $2. So that's $6. And then I would say another $1 for the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser and the Moisturizing Cream, because they're little samples. So another $1. 2, 4, 6, $7. And then another $1 for the Witch Hazel Pore Strip. That's what, 2, 4, 6, 7, $8. So $8 in this box. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's good, especially, you know, if you have teenage daughters, a lot of times, or teenage sons, a lot of times they can use all the products in this little box. Like I said, it's only $5. It's a cutesy little box. Came with this. I wish I would have coupons like Target boxes. Target has their monthly boxes. Those are not subscription, but they have a $3 coupon in there for a future purchase of $15 or more. Walmart, you should really think about putting some coupons in there, because then that'll give them a reason to go shop at Walmart to buy any of the items that are in this box. So that's just a suggestion. So thank you for hanging out with me. Just did a wham bam thank you ma'am type of video today. Hope you enjoyed my video. For those of you that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. And even if you've been a subscriber for a long time, you may find out that your subscription may have just disappeared. So if you'd like to hit that subscribe button again, hit the thumbs up, and leave me a comment and let me know if you got this box, if everything was the same as this box, and if you got it, did you enjoy your products? So thank you for hanging out. I will see you on the next one. Hasta Laterz.